and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain MonoBuys.com reviews. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website and it is an online store based in United States that sells women clothing including tops, bottoms, velvet dresses, accessories, etc. And talking about the price of these offerings, so these are too good to be true. Now let's check out the other information related to this website, guys. So let's check out the payment information first. And for getting the payment info, you need to visit the payment method section. So here you'll find that the mode of payment available on the website is PayPal only. Now let's check out the shipping and delivery. So guys, according to the website details, the standard shipping duration will be 6 to 25 business days. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So starting with HTTPS connection, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS protocol connection, which is a good sign. But talking about the domain was created on 2nd of September 2020. So guys, this is a newly launched website, so we need to discuss more factors about this website to define its legitimacy. Now let's check out the About Us section of the site to know more about this website. This is the About Us page of the site and limited information is available on this page. No information is available regarding the business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. So this is not enough to judge its legitimacy. So let's check out the contact details of this site. So this is the contact us page of this site, guys, and you can see they have provided their company's official address along with the email address. And the email which is given on this web page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. And the email is service@monobuys.com. But guys, you should also know that most of the scam and problematic websites use emails starting with service, customer care, help desk, etc. Now let's talk about the social media presence. So yes, the site has social media presence on Facebook only, and this is a newly launched website, so the social media existence is too low at this time. Now let's talk about the refund or return policy of the site. So let's visit the return policy section. The website has mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product because it will give benefit to other customers while making any online purchase or reviewing a website. Now talking about MonoBuys.com reviews. So yes, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet. Some customers are not aware of this website as this is a newly launched website which is not popular at all. So guys, in the final conclusion, the site appears to be scam and you should stay away from such type of scam websites. For money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.